Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your password in Gmail. I showing us how to do that. You just need to log in your Gmail account, and after that click on the setting gear icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to select account and import tab, and you just need to change account setting. Click on change password. Opens up new tab and you just need to enter your password right here guys, and click on next. Now you just need to type the new password over here and confirm your new password guys, and click on change password and it will be change your account password guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.